Right, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to the Bitcoin update today. And since the last video I've told you that there's one resistance that you must be looking at, and you got that resistance there, you got the resistance here, and Bitcoin pumped up back to that resistance, got rejected, and ever since Bitcoin has been down. So 2 days ago, the update that I gave you has already played out, and you can see that the green and the red next to them, when combined, they actually made a bearish Arami candlestick pattern. And then you went down here and you also got the evening star as well. Now the thing is, I do believe that Bitcoin has to continue to plummet to the downside, and that's just the main plan at the moment for Bitcoin to do. Let's look at what the EMAs have done. And if you look at the EMAs as well, when you pumped up, you just went back to the EMAs. You also got rejected at the EMA. Unfortunately, this is for the first time after a very long time that, ever since here, you've actually made a bearish cross right there. So this bearish cross is something. Now the thing is, you were making a low, a higher low, and a higher low, a high and a higher high. So the uptrend was actually going to the upside. Now there's this support line that was there. I told you about the support line as well. And then you got the second support line, which was something like this as well. Okay. Now the thing is that you've actually stopped to come to this support line. You've broken below that support line as well. So two support lines have been broken, and they are turning into resistance right now. Okay, which is actually bad. Number three is, you got the EMAs that have a bearish cross right now. That's also bad. Okay, so three things that are bad back to back. And for me, if this was your low, the question is Bitcoin really looking to come down and take this low and maybe even make a new low? I don't know. Okay, and I don't even see that happening just yet. I don't think we're moving as low as this area. We could, I don't know. But September is bad. I've already told you before. Last year I told you as well that September is just one of the worst month in crypto, of course, if you're at the receiving end of it. So doing nothing is one of the best call, and a smart call as well. Even on my private, I just told my members last month, I told them that September is coming. The money is leaving the market as well. There's no volume, there's decrease in volume. So basically that means that there's no any interest of the buyers actually. So the buyers are not interested to step in, and if the buyers are not interested to step in, if you trade at that time, you're going to get manipulations and you're going to get dumps and stuff like that. So it's just a bad experience. It's hell. Yeah, that's the month of hell in crypto as well. And the CME gap comes down to 20,000. Okay, so 20,000 in my opinion is the place where September has to be touched right now. Okay, so the 20,000 actually comes down right over there. Okay, so it could actually be down here. There's a CME gap right over there. Fill the CME gap and maybe start to go back to the upside. Maybe just to make a local bottom right there and start a new uptrend once again. Okay, and if you do come down to 18,000 and lose this as well, break below, then you're looking for that 16,000 level once again. So that's it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.